What is going on, everyone? Thank goodness it's Friday. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Today, I wanted to share with you my insights on my top three stocks picks that I've shared with you over the prior months and weeks. Now, before I begin, though, I'd like to inform you that all of the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And what I'll be sharing with you today would be considered facts in terms of seeing how each company stock that I've shared with you had bull run up. But the interesting topic I'll be sharing is of these three stocks I'll be talking about, I'll highlight to you reasons why I firmly believe that there will be like one out of the three stocks that will continually bull run up, and I'll share that information with you. Now, before I begin, let's say if you are a new stock investor or an existing investor where you're trying to look for a trading account that can add value to your investment strategy, please take a look at Webull. It's a trading application, and I've provided a link down below. Let's say if you're considering to start your investment journey and you don't have a trading account, here's an opportunity for you to sign up with Webull, where let's say if you were to sign up and you deposit about $100, you could potentially gain on two free stocks up to like $250 value. So that just tells you that you can gain on free stocks right there. So I have the link down below and just take a look at it. And I just wanted to share with you two product lines here. This is a Qualia Mind and Qualia Night. I take Qualia Mind in the morning up through the day, and I take Qualia Night once I'm about to go to sleep. What's so unique about these products are that it really adds value. It's high quality natural supplements that I take that really helps with my focus, memory, and drive, while the night version really helps with my sleeping schedule, where I'm able to get my full amount of sleep, as well as putting me through the REM sleep where I'm able to dream and remember all the vivid dreams that I've had throughout the night. I highly recommend this product because it works very well hand in hand. Let's say if you want to improve on your focus, whether it's through stock investing, working at a high productivity at work. Let's say if you are an athlete, I like taking these pills as well right before my run, and it really helps me with improving my cadence with running. And with the night version, it's helped me be able to sleep like a baby. So I just wanted to share those value add items that I take during my normal lifestyle. And also, let's say if you are an authentic subscriber to this channel, United Geese Gang, I have an online merchandise, and here's an example of one merchandise. All I see is W Cup, where there's a slogan in the back too: gaining on positive proceeds and leading with an altruistic mindset. So I'd highly recommend you to look at the online merchandise. I have different designs on there. For example, the United Geese Gang, where we fly the V formation as geese, where we share that leadership role, and just wanted to just point that out. If you want to support me to grow this channel, I'd highly recommend taking a look at it. Now, I know all of you have been patiently waiting for my stock talk deep dive analysis, so let's dive right deep into it. So this is a product made by Zomedica, where it's used to diagnose companions such as animals and dogs, where it detects for thyroid related problems. Now, I was recommending this ticker back when it was at 6 cents. 6 cents, and now it's bull run all the way up to like the whole $2 value. I mean, in fact, it actually went up to like $2.80. That's over like 1,500% gains, close to like 2,000% gains. This was one of my hottest stock picks to date, and I just wanted to share with you, congratulations to those who listened to me at the time when I recommended this ticker at 6 cents. Can you imagine how much finance positive proceeds you would have made at that time? So I just know that there's minimal competitors. They have a high value add diagnostic product that is in high demand, especially during this COVID environment. Dogs and cats are at home eating a lot or too little, and this really helps veterinarians be able to diagnose companions with problems related to thyroid. So that's why Zometica has been one of the hottest stock picks that I've shared to date, and that's why I firmly believe that this company will continue to add value. And we know come March 30/31 this quarter, they will be commercializing the True Forma product line. So that's going to be a very value add play. And in terms of how this test is used, first you obtain a sample from, let's say, your dog, then you add the sample to the cartridge, you insert that into the diagnostic product Trueforma, and then within 20 minutes you get a readout using the My Zomedica software program. So that's how easy it is to test for this, and that's why it's going to change the game, at least for the veterinarian space. And that's why the share price has bull run from like the single digit share price all the way up to the high $2 value. So this overall was one of my greatest picks, and just wanted to congratulate those who listened to me with this hot hidden gem company ticker. And it's funny because now, like on YouTube, there's so many people making videos of Zomedica after the fact. Well, you know what, I was already recommending this ticker right before, when it was like at like 6 cents, when no one was talking about it, up until it started bull running up to like 16 cents, 40 cents, up to the dollar, up to the $2, up to like 2.80. So there you go. Just wanted to congratulate those who've listened to me with Trueforma. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Riot Blockchain. I was recommending this ticker when it was like at the $8 to $11, and today it's hovered up to the $70 share price range. So that's like 800% on positive proceeds alone. This is a New York based company focused on Bitcoin mining, where it has a location about 6,040 next generation Bitmain Antminers, and they're currently deploying about 456 pH, utilizing approximately 16.3 megawatts of energy. And just to show you what they do from a visual standpoint, let me just show you some images from what they're providing. Here's just their technology for Bitcoin mining. So as you can see, they're making big things happen at this time. Here's another photo. And here's just a photo of the New York facility where they're just setting up Bitcoin mining shops right now. And that's why we see so much of a increase in its share price, because while Bitcoin, the price of it has passed beyond the $50,000 per Bitcoin, we see Riot Blockchain just driving forward, powerhousing through vertically with its share price. And that's why I firmly believe this is one of the greatest stock picks that I've also shared as well, at the time when it was hovering at like the single digit to like the low $10, and now it's gone up to like almost $100 already. So there you go. Here's my number 2 stock pick that's adding so much value. And as you can see with this photo, there's like a cool space machinery here to keep the temperature regulation around the environment that this facility is in. So here's other photos just to give you a visual context of what they're working on. And it's a fairly huge facility just focused on Bitcoin mining. So just wanted to say congratulations to those who've listened to me on this stock pick. And now it has about 15,000 miners at this time for Riot Blockchain. So let's not lose sight, and congratulations all. Last ticker I wanted to share with you that has been a value add play as well is Skye Bioscience by the ticker SKYE. This is the company's branding. Sky is limitless. This is a biotechnology company that is based out in San Diego, where they're working on a drug product. In fact, they're a biopharmaceutical company engineering proprietary cannabinoid derivatives to treat glaucoma and other diseases with significant unmet medical needs. And in terms of their purpose, their approach enables them to transform cannabinoids into safer, more effective pharmaceutical agents. And by advancing their novel drugs, they're able to bring important new medicines to market by unlocking the potential of cannabinoids. So how does this work, right? Well, we know glaucoma is a really bad disease where it's impacting about 80 million patients, and year over year it's only just going to exponentially increase. How does glaucoma happen in people? Well, it can be genetics, and also it can be increase in intraocular pressure in your eye, and that will damage your ganglion cells and result in damage to your optic nerve due to the increase in intraocular pressure. So by leveraging THC cannabinoids or CBD cannabinoids with the addition of amino acids, you're adding like a drug product into the eye where the enzymes will allow for the THC substrates to enter the eye while the enzymes become inactive and it binds to your innate receptors. And we know the eye has a high concentration of THC receptors, which allows for proper binding and providing the therapeutic effect without giving you the THC high effect systemically throughout the body. So that's one of the unique things with this company. And I was recommending this ticker back when it was like at the 3 cents, when it was very unpopular. And to date, it's bull run up to like 400% in positive proceeds already. So not quite as significant as like Zomedica and Riot Blockchain, but it's getting there, right? And I'm firmly positive that the team at Skye Bioscience are driven to their passion and their ability to identify a cure to glaucoma while untapping medical unmet needs, looking at cannabinoids pharmaceutical potential. And this is definitely a breakthrough science because we know that with its drug product, it's currently performing preclinical trials right now, not only to demonstrate that its drug product can reduce intraocular pressure significantly compared to the traditional drug products. For example, latanoprost, that's a traditional drug that is manufactured by large-scale pharma companies. What it is it allows for the reduction of intraocular pressure, but not as effective as the data that Skye is putting out based on preclinical trials data. However, Skye is also working on an experiment to evaluate neuroprotective effects to prevent the buildup of glaucoma, right, for patients with normal IOP. And if and when Skye is able to demonstrate that its drug product can demonstrate neuroprotective effects, then that will change the name of the game in this glaucoma sector space in ocular disease, because to date there's no drug that has an intended use that claims it can provide neuroprotection. If and when Skye is able to demonstrate that, there's going to be an increased demand for its drug product, and we'll see the attractiveness of this company continue to catapult up with an inflection point. And I firmly believe that the company has a high conviction by executing on its business strategy, focusing on just trying to come up with a solid cure for glaucoma before it starts tapping into other potential disease markets. And that's how I envision seeing its share price. I firmly believe that this is like a $3 to $10 share price coming very soon, sometime in 2021, 2022. We know that in Q2, it will be releasing further preclinical enabling GLP studies data in Q2, while in Q3, it will initiate phase 1 human clinical trials, and we shall see quick cycle time on the results of its phase 1 sometime possibly in Q1 of 2022 release, because this is like a fast acting kind of drug. It's not like a vaccine where you're providing an intrabolus delivery and you have to see whether there's any potential physiological impacts within your body. This is, like a drug product where you apply solvent right directly into your eye. So I don't think it's that complex in terms of a clinical trial experiment running. So that's why I firmly believe Skye has potential. And if I were to compare, right, of these three stocks, which stock has room for growth? True Pharma, Zomedica, Riot Blockchain with its Bitcoin support at this time, or Skye Bioscience as an innovative approach to drug development? Well, I'm going to say that Skye Bioscience definitely has the potential to bull run up. Like what I just mentioned, my price target, $3 to $10. I firmly believe that it can bull run all the way up quite significantly because it's still in the low 13s right now. However, with the milestones that will be achieved, I firmly believe that it can continue to bull run up to the whole dollar share price range. We've already seen that with Zomedica. When I recommended this at 6 cents, it went all the way up to $2.80. I firmly believe that it can get up to like $10 as well. However, with where we are today compared to where we were previously, if you didn't catch that Zomedica wave, then that's a little too late now, right? However, there's potential in like Skye Bioscience where you can ride that wave upward as well. Now with Riot Blockchain, while it was hovering at like $5 to $10, it's bull run all the way up to like $70 already. The question is, can it continue to bull run up? I firmly believe that it can get up to like 120, right? So that's like about another 80% positive proceeds in the near term by like Q1 of 2021. So that's why I firmly believe that it has potential as well. But if I were to put my money in one of these three stocks, I would highly suggest Skye Bioscience because of where this company is positioned, and it's extremely undervalued at this time with high potential for growth. So there you go. I hope that this video added value for you. And if you found this video valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe for more related content at All I See Is W. Thank you. Have a wonderful weekend all. Goodbye.